Did you know that some of the most beautiful plants in your home and garden can be multiplied from just one small cutting? Here are 10 plants that can easily grow from cuttings. 1. Pothos. This vibrant vine is incredibly resilient, making it a perfect starting point for any indoor gardener. 2. Coleus. Known for its striking foliage in shades of red, purple, and pink, it roots quickly to bring color to your space. 3. Rosemary. This aromatic herb is as beautiful as it is useful. A few cuttings can soon provide a lifetime of fragrance. 4. Basil. A staple in the kitchen garden. Basil thrives when propagated in water, rapidly producing new growth. 5. Mint. One of the hardiest plants you can grow. Mint spreads easily from a single stem, especially when blessed with morning dew. 6. Geranium. These classic flowering plants transition beautifully from a simple stem to a vibrant, blooming centerpiece. 7. Hydrangea. With spectacular clusters of blue and pink flowers, growing hydrangeas from cuttings is a rewarding journey. 8. Rose. While every cutting requires care, the sight of a thriving rose bush grown from a single node is truly magical. 9. Lavender. Gentle breezes carry the calming scent of lavender, a plant that establishes itself well from healthy young cuttings. 10. Succulents. These diverse plants are marvels of nature, capable of growing entirely new lives from just a single leaf. Propagation success varies by plant variety, season, and growing conditions. Always take healthy cuttings and use clean tools. Provide appropriate moisture and light, and check whether your particular plant roots best in water or soil. For outdoor plants, be sure to select varieties suited to your local climate and hardiness zone. One healthy plant can become many. With a few simple cuttings, you can fill your home with beautiful plants for very little cost.